Hello, everyone out there. I am Chef Jonathan Stranger, and I'm here with my son, Kipling Stranger, and we are out at the Peach Barn in Porter, Oklahoma. All the peaches here have been provided by Livesay Orchards for over 100 years. How freaking cool is that, right, Kip? 100 years, dude. 100 years. So what we're gonna make today, and why I have Kipling here with me, is delicious, healthy snacks. So it's summer, it's hot outside, but you probably don't wanna be filling yourself with all that corn syrup and sugar and processed goods. So this is a super simple way to make delicious summer treats for your kids, for your friends, for your family, or for yourself. Healthy and delicious. Nice. Your turn to cook, Oklahoma. All right, here we go. So this is a super simple recipe. So take your blender. I like to build this right into the blender because it just makes it super easy and I don't have to use as many dishes. Busy life, don't want to do a lot of dishes. One stop, we're done. So we're gonna take some organic yogurt. And we're gonna put about a cup in there. Tell me when you think we got a cup, Kip. You think we're there yet?
Almost. Yeah, that's a cup.
There we go. So we're just gonna put in our fresh yogurt. And that's gonna give it this nice creaminess. Think of like an orange creamsicle. Same thing but with peach. Then we're gonna use 4 of these amazing peaches. Look at these freaking things. Kip, you just ate one. Did you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you love it?
Yes.
Was it juicy?
Yes.
Juicy and good. So we're just gonna take it. The nice thing about this is you don't have to super worry about the pit because all you're gonna do is take your knife and just kind of cut yourself chunks right off. Right, Kip?
Yeah.
Just like that. We're just gonna work our way around the pit, keeping the knife blade moving up, keeping our thumb out of the way, and just pulling right up, just like that. This way you don't have to go through, cut through the peach, maybe get stuck, because sometimes that does happen. This is just a super easy way. You're gonna run your knife to the peach, all the way around, and then just start pulling pieces off it. That's what I like about this, is it's not super technical. It's not you have to do this or whatnot. We're just gonna put all this in a blender. So for your knife cuts, you don't have to super be too concerned about it because of that. You know what I like about peaches, Kip?
What?
Do you think the color reminds you of sunshine?
Yeah.
That's what I love
Wait,
about
are
it.
we gonna fill the whole thing with peaches?
Yeah.
That's
So
a
as you
lot.
can see, there's nothing else going into this. We're just gonna have a bunch of peaches, like Kip just mentioned, yogurt, and local honey. That's it, those 3 ingredients. And yes, the honey's gonna give us some sweetness, but what's great is it's local honey, it's still super sweet, but it has all those benefits to help you with your allergies and all sorts of different things. And it was also actually used as an antiseptic a long time ago. So we've got our thing full of peaches and yogurt. We're gonna add our local honey. We're gonna use Rourke Acres local honey, which is right down the road in Jinx, Oklahoma. So even though we're out here in Porter, which you might think is a small town, look at everything they have. They have a whole stand of local food, delicious produce, and local honey from right down the street as well. So we're gonna eyeball about a tablespoon and just pour it in there. So one of the reasons I built it this way in the blender, as I mentioned earlier, I didn't want to do all the different parts of it, is the blender blade needs something to catch. So if you were just to stuff your peaches in there, it may not catch it to get it started, but by having the yogurt, it'll slowly blend the yogurt and then pull everything down into it like a vortex. It's like a black hole of delicious popsicleness. So we're gonna pop it on.
Black.
Whenever you have a lot of stuff in your blender, always start on a low speed. That way the blender has a chance to kind of get things going and then you can pick it up as you go. Then we're gonna take this, just tamp it down a little bit. And we're really gonna work our blender.
Whoa, it's something shot out of it.
I know, a little peach came out.
It shot out. Shot out of the top of the volcano.
So there's that quick and that easy. And your consistency of your popsicle is up to you. We like a little bit of fruit chunk in it so we know we're eating fresh food, so we don't blend it as long. If you want it really, really, really smooth, like the Popsicles you used to, blend it for about 2 minutes on high speed and it'll get it nice and smooth and broken up for you. So, we got this. All you do is take your mix and we're gonna pour it right in. Pretty easy, right, dude?
That's actually really easy. Nice, looks easy.
How many Popsicles do you think you can eat, Kip?
1.
1? You're only gonna eat 1?
Actually 2.
2?
3.
So what's super fun about this is not only is it easy and fun to make, but as you can see,
You
you're
overfilled that.
just having fun.
Dad, you overfilled one.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about that one? Is that good?
Kind of overfilled. That one's like overfilled.
How'd I do?
Good. But not on that one, that's overfilled.
So the nice part about this system is now we just take our top,
And then
right on there, and then it's stick time, right, dude?
Yeah.
All right, you want to race?
No.
You want to race me?
No.
Ready? Go.
No, I don't want to race.
Go.
I don't want to
You
race.
don't want to race? Such a modest young man. So all we're going to do is this. Stick your sticks in there. Here you go, dude. That easy to make delicious peach popsicles at home. All right, I'm gonna go put these in the freezer, okay?
Okay.
All right, now we've got our popsicles frozen, ready to go. You ready to have one? All right, so we're just gonna just pop the lid off and then just gently slide them on out. Grab the stick, dude. You got it?
Almost.
Oh, you got it. I'm gonna get one for me. And there we have it, delicious peach creamsicles sweetened with local honey and a great summer treat, right, dude? How is it?
Good. I love this.
Delicious treat, no processed sugar, nothing bad for you in here except delicious Oklahoma peaches, a little bit of honey and a little bit of yogurt. What do you think they should do out there? I think it's your turn to cook, Oklahoma. Cheers.
Join us on YouTube and Instagram for this weekly series and let us know how Healthy Oklahoma is helping you achieve a healthier life.
It is your turn to move.
Your turn to cook, Oklahoma.
Healthy Oklahoma is a program of the Oklahoma State Department of Health.
Stay healthy, Oklahoma!